well, don't forget our activator. I use clear tide. You can add like whatever you want, but I prefer clear tide.
We're gonna need a bowl. We're gonna need a spoon. Let's add some glue.
Okay, so I wanted to some clear, and I have this because I want to add like the glitter and all the pink, and to make it glow in the dark. So let's start. So I was supposed to use the whole thing. I made a mistake. Oh God, save me. Now, since I added that all, so I'm gonna quickly like mix this. If you can't see, I'll usually look at the end or maybe later. So I'm gonna be opening this. Or I've got the So I'm gonna be opening this. So I'm gonna quickly do this. So we're mixing it. This is really pretty.
It looks like it's turning black.
So we finished mixing and it has like a pretty color. So I think I'm gonna quickly add a few drops or like some of this clear tide. It sure is heavy. So I'm gonna be adding a tiny bit. Don't add the whole thing or else it might get overactivated. Now I hope I didn't overact my slime. I said overact, I meant overactivated. Whoa, look at that pretty color. And I can't wait to see what's gonna be like. Oh, I see the thing, it's turning. Add a tiny bit more. Whoa, it's forming the formula. Oh my God, please don't tell me, God, it's turning black. The jelly. So, anyways, you must have heard me say go, we were shooting anyways. So, this is how the slime turned out. But if it's not like in the start, like, what? This is fake. So, you gotta keep on like mixing it together and then the magic will happen. So, this one, I don't want to add any shaving foam. So, but I want it to like glow in the dark. So, I'll add this, but first, let's add the beads. So, I'm gonna add the beads. Gotta mix that in. I'm just getting some beads that fell on the floor. Now, this is gonna be chunky. Cool, kinda too. It's pretty good, and it feels crunchy. Should we add more? Okay, I don't think we should. So it looks beautiful like strawberry slime. It really is super crunchy. Da, 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 da. I'm just too happy. It feels so wonderful. So this is what turned out, guys. It's wonderful, isn't it? So it looks blue here. It's actually really purple. So I'm gonna like try to make a good bubble. I love bubbles. I don't think you can see as well, but let me try this. Now, so comment down below if you should make another one. Guys, oh no, I'm so silly. I forgot to add this. So it's like the glow in the dark look, if you can see. I'm gonna try. Yep, I opened it before I even said it. Now we're gonna see it. Whoa, it's so pink. Now I'm just gonna add a little because I'm gonna add a little to each slime to make it extra special with some glow in the dark glue. Wait. Please, guys, don't get off this channel. I'm still not finished. So you see, it's gonna turn out wonderful. It's gonna become rich and wonderful. I'll become the richest slime queen when I grow up. That's what I want to be when I grow up. See? Silly me. So I'm gonna try later on to see if it really glows in the dark. Let's mix it in. It also became glittery now, guys. But it became extra sticky. Oh, great. Now I'm gonna quickly. So this is the best slime. So we just put it in a container. I recommend a container. So should I open that plate? Whatever, I'm just gonna do it. Please subscribe our channel, ring the bell if you're a new viewer. Comment down below how you thought the video was. Give us a thumbs up. That's all we need. And don't forget to have some fun. You thought we were over now? No. We're going to be making another slime. But this time, we're going to be using this. So, I'm going to pour all the glue. Look at how white it is. But we're going to change it to another color. I think. Well, probably we are. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I want to do. But not purple. But still, I may be adding the red beads. So, that's enough. Now, let's stir it. So, I'm just going to quickly add some of this while we're mixing. That's a lot. Well, yeah, I said before that the shaving cream was optional, so is the beads, and so is the color. And so is the glow in the dark glue. Let's keep on mixing it. Got the beads! Let's see how the thing is. Oh, look how it is. What? It's just too much good. I just can't stop saying what. So, I haven't decided which color I wanted. I'll pick later. So, we just need to keep on mixing. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit yellow. Because I want this one to be yellow. Not like pee. And not going to be too weird. So, that should be enough for right now. So, we added a tiny bit yellow because we didn't see any change or reflection. I'm worried. Did this become a flop? Video flop. Oh, I think we can improvise. Let's go, team. Shh. Keep on mixing. So we're back up again. It's not like that. And I don't want it to be pee. That's makes me laugh when I say that word. Anyways. Yeah, this is not the best color. I think we gotta add a different color. Oh, let me add all the yellow I have. So I'm gonna mix some more yellow because it wasn't looking my best. It's turning into frosting yellow. Can you see? I don't think you can see. Can you now? Can you? If the yellow's not coming in clearly for you guys, I'll show this slime at the end, like I always do. I'm gonna quickly add some of this. That's a lot. Dr. Fry was supposed to add a lot, but I can also see slimes because I learned how to make so many slimes. You see my satisfying slime videos, you should. Make sure you subscribe again and keep on mixing. I meant comments, how you thought the video was, blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's just get on the slime. Looks like ice cream to me. Maybe I did not overactivate it. Maybe I needed that. The whole thing! Oh my god! You can say I'm crazy, but I can handle this stuff. So, this is what turned out. Actually, it's a stretchy slime. Oh my god. It looks like cheese and real butter. It actually it's not the pea color I wanted. Actually, I didn't want the pea color. What am I saying? Nonsense. So, it became like pretty with red little polka dots, stretchy, buttery, extremely buttery because we added the shaving foam this time. Okay, thank you guys. Give me a big thumbs up or give us a big thumbs up. And then please subscribe our channel, ring the bell if you're new, give a comment, and like I said before, give us a thumbs up. Bye!
Hi guys, Froggy has been sick for a long time, so I'm going to be here. I hope you like the video. Sorry, I'm not really that good here either because Froggy gave me the flu too anyways. I'm not really that good. Wait, what am I supposed to say again? Okay, sorry. Hope you like the video and give us a big thumbs up. Bye!